Tra le novità di Eima 2024 c'è
One of the innovations at Eima 2024 is the first ever Eima party. So this is a new event, you know, to have fun together. But this year, thanks to a friend, it's become a really huge party where people had fun with many DJs and, you know, there was food and drinks. Lots of fun. Davide Gomiero and Iris Locatelli, you are a farmer, a content creator. People know you. He's our top content creator. He's #1 in Italy. And he's also an event organizer. You organize one in the summer, the AgriShow. And Iris here with us, she's in charge of Eima social team. So you are the one in contact with content creators like him. So what happened yesterday? I'm not going to say it all. I pretend I wasn't there. You were there. It was AgriGroove, the sound of Eima. It was the first official Eima party. Unique event, a big hit, big success. You know, it was the first event, you know, very little notice. I'm very happy. Fede Una Coma, they were very happy, very successful event. Yes, of course. You offered an opportunity for people to meet on the 3rd day of the trade fair on Friday night, and you know the web people were there as well. You know, whoever could make it was there. You know, Davide has many followers, very many followers, and you know, people know him, and there were other content creators with him there. They have many followers, many, you know, young farmers know them very well. There's a lot of audience. Tell us about the background. One day you decided to organize a party. You had an active role. You proposed an idea that was immediately welcomed. Yes, well, it felt strange and odd. They immediately said yes. And so we, you know, looked for venues. The beginning, the locations were too small, and so we thought it wasn't enough, you know, considering that Eima gets 330,000 visitors. So what happens is a third of all these people decide to join the party. It may not be that successful on year 1, but we want to keep the same location and fill it up. You know, it was the first party, and it's going to grow thanks to your work and everybody else's contribution. So let's remind content creators and web people how to keep it up and stay in contact with the Eima channels. Eima is increasingly social media oriented. We are active on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So please follow us. We are actively collaborating with a large group of content creators. So we create targeted content with the Eima audience, keep giving update on agriculture and the life of young farmers. Many students, you know, going to agronomy schools, fell in love with their job, you know, farmers and breeders, thanks to the dissemination work carried out by these young people. They work on the fields during the day and tell everyone about their life on social media, about their life. Young people didn't like that kind of job, but many parents tell us, you know, our children fell in love with this job. And I'm sure your program on Team Max has been very successful. Questa Pazza Fattoria, we follow you and we see what you do as a farmer. Thank you very much, Davide, for joining us today. Thank you, Iris, and see you back online.